that price is equal to, so 4 is equal to 0.15 plus 0.12q. And I can solve for q now to find my q. Your new q star, let me call that q tilde, since we are, let's say tilde is going to be our new quantities. It's going to be, so 4 minus 0.15, so that's 3.85 divided by 0.12 is going to be the new equilibrium quantity. Okay? Whatever that is. Then I can say, okay, this is the quantity. Yes?
Shouldn't the price be 4.2?
Sorry?
I think it's $4.20.
$4.20. The price?
Yeah, for the guy who put 4 instead.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes. I'm remembering the wrong number. I apologize. Yes. Oh boy. Okay. So price 4.2. 4.2. So then this is something else. Okay? And then I can find, then the next step is find the LAC by plugging this QI star. So I know what the LAC is. It's 37.5 divided by Q plus 0.15 plus 0.06 Q. You plug that, and then what you find is you'll find a number. Okay? What do you do with that? Your profits of the firm with that technology is going to be the price minus the average total cost, sorry, but LAC, times Q, Q tilde I. Those are going to be the profits. So you know that price is 4.2. You know that the LAC is something that I haven't calculated. Okay? And then that multiplied by Q, that's the total profits that you can expect with the new technology. That's how much you're willing to pay for that technology. Okay? Yes?
When we get our Q, we plug that into the new cost for the LAC, correct?
Yes. 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 What you're doing is the first step is identifying the first step. You are here. Now you have a new curve. The first step is to identify price equals to long run marginal cost. That identifies this Q. The second step is to identify this point here. That is the long run average cost, the average cost of producing the output. The difference between this is the per unit profits times Q is the total profits. And that's what you get from that's how much you're willing to pay. That is not an easy question. This last part is really hard question. Like really, really hard question. I totally. So if you can get that and if you understand all the steps, then you're doing great. If you can do this on your own, then you're really doing great. Okay? I'm not going to be asking a question like that in the exam. Let's put it that way. I'm not going to ask you, let's shift the thought. Yeah.
Can you go over number 8 on the practice final?
Of course. borrow it from somebody actually? I don't know where. So how much profit will monopolist earn at output Q1? Okay, let's do a visual inspection here. At output Q1, price, so price is determined by, so the quantity Q1 is determined by the intersection of marginal cost with marginal revenue, right here. Okay, the price is going to be C, okay, that's the price. What's the average cost of producing each unit of output? E is given by point E, so that gives you a cost of B. So per unit revenue of C, per unit cost of B, C minus B is the per unit profit. So C times B is, C minus B is the per unit profit. B, this distance is the quantity, so this whole area that is already shaded, thank you, is the monopoly profits. So that is the area, CDEB. Okay? Yes?
Can you do short answer number 1?
Yes. Thank you. See, this is the problem of sitting in front. You don't want to be sitting in front.
I hope I didn't get it wrong because nobody's copying my notes.
Yeah, I shouldn't be putting this up. All right, so I should hide your answers here.
Wait, the short answer one, not the multiple.
Oh,
Oh,
now the,
short
okay,
answer.
all right. Short answer then. Is it the Monopoly stuff?
Yeah.
Monopoly.
Okay. Gosh, I hope I got that right. I mean, I checked
No,
with your
I'm
notes
not gonna,
online, so.
I'm gonna write it, so I'm just gonna use this
Okay.
as a, all right. So, let me just make sure that this thing is working so often. There's some people are gonna look at this. Yes? Okay? Okay. So long question, one monopoly. So we have a demand curve. And the demand curve is price equals to 50 minus 1/2 Q. Okay, that's my demand. And then the marginal cost is equal to 2. LMC is equal to 2. So LMC is equal to 2. And then the demand is 50 minus 1/2 Q. When Q is 0, the price is 50. When the price is 0, the quantity is 100. Okay? The first part of the problem is what happens if cat food is behaves like a perfectly competitive firm. So under PC, price equals to marginal cost. Right? You always set the price equals to the marginal cost. Okay? So your marginal cost is 2. So the price is going to be 2. Okay? And then what's the quantity? Well, now you're going to look at the demand. Right? The monopolist is the only firm that can satisfy the demand. And so it will produce us to meet that demand, which is to this point here. Okay, so this point is the point A, or is plug into the demand, 2 equals to 50 minus 1/2 Q. So that is 48 equals to 1/2 Q. So Q is equal to 96. What are the profits of this firm? Total revenue minus total cost. What's total revenue here?
96 times 2.
96 times 2, 182. What's the total cost? That's a long run cost, right? So
96.
96 times 2, which is 192. There's zero profit. There's no profit. There's no area below the price that goes to the producer. There's zero profits. Okay. Then second part is draw the demand, marginal cost, the competitive price, quantity sold under perfect competition. Oh, I kind of done that already. Maybe I didn't do it.